Alright, we just finished up installing this Mitsubishi intelli-HEAT system. Um, we have an 80% gas furnace. The crew did a phenomenal job putting this in. It's the best of both worlds, so you're heating with both a all-electric heat pump and a gas furnace. We've set this to change over at 32 degrees. So when the outside temperature is 32, it hard locks out and only allows the gas furnace to operate. Above 32, it can mix in a mixture of fuel sources depending on environmental factors. If it's keeping up, that little control box off to the right here is controlling all of that and figuring that out all automatically. So yeah, this is an awesome setup. This is a one-to-one, so there's no heads, but other systems also have it where you have a coil over the furnace, and then you have multiple either ductless heads or sealing units or any combination of mixed in there to help keep you comfortable all year round. Alright, here's actually a good representation. We used the soffit to get outside, and then the last mile where it tapered, we used some Speedi Channel to get outside. Basically, this ductwork is set up to heat the room behind us through a little vent, and that's where the taper is, but didn't make it quite outside. Outside on our Mitsubishi intelli-HEAT installation. The outdoor unit is running, and it's very quiet. We came along the exterior of the house with the Speedi Channel through the bedroom over there. We came along the side of the house and put it in the backyard so we're compliant with Seattle's noise ordinance. And it's out of the way right here on the corner. Super quiet. Take a listen. And another project for the books.